Hey you guys, here's Rana. Saw this butterfly monarch
It's
and
turning into the chrysalis. One of the caterpillars.
let's see can I find it on.
Ooh, the caterpillar is moving, Mom.
We got a caterpillar here.
Look, see? Right there. It's turning into a chrysalis.
Mhm.
I want to touch one.
See that caterpillar
touch.
there.
The caterpillar that you can't touch, you can see the hairs.
I don't. The
And I know
chrysalis.
there's another one.
Oh yeah, it is. It's actually gonna be coming out. That's why it's making that movement right there. Y'all see that? And I only know that because we just this plant is full.
Milkweed.
Is a milkweed, yes. It's full of caterpillars. There's a lot of them. So yeah, that's cool. Here is one
Can I
up
touch
here.
some?
Oh, that is nice. So
I
we have a
touched
we have a butterfly that's probably just came out of the chrysalis.
We don't know, but it's right there.
Yeah, we don't know because we just saw it. But it's there, you know. And then we see the one that's over there. It was shaking. I don't see it now.
Mom, it's not gonna
But anyway,
be coming out.
that's it, you guys. Milkweed. Butterflies love milkweed, so we try to have.
Not all of them.
Well, not yet, right. Not
Like
all of them.
monarch butterflies and the painted ladies, they like milkweed from what all I know.
Mhm. Wow, and we just came out to get some herbs. I'm gonna have a salad with right out the garden. Let me show y'all what we just got. Ugh. Going over there now. Okay, we just got some of this purslane that's growing in the wild. There's other herbs that's growing there, and
We don't know what that is.
so yeah, eating out the yard. Make sure it's clean, not sprayed.
It's sitting under the
So,
foot,
yeah.
so I don't know how it gets sprayed.
Purslane, high in omegas 369s. Good for the brain. 1,000 roses to you guys. One love. Purslane right there.